I know y'all gonna be mad at me, but I'm doing this uh, full cleaning and oiling on my lift as well as uh, rebuilding the engine. Not rebuilding it, but perking it up, putting a new gas, all new gas, just cleaning the whole engine bay. Okay, but aside from that, nah, y'all don't know I'll be doing the most. But I'm back to my uh, project as far as body work on my truck. I got this kick-ass hydraulic lift. Truck been sitting up, got real rusty. Now, I'm, it was rusty. I'm gonna say it is rusty for right now because it's still rusty, but it was more rusty than this, and it's going to be abracadably gone in just a few minutes. And believe it or not, I'll be taking a video in a few minutes to prove that it was done in just a few minutes. But it's done from this point in just a few minutes. I've been working on it. I ain't gonna deceive you. I've been working on it, putting different my special ingredients of just washing it down and brushing the excess rust deposits away from the metal first. See, those are deposits, but they're not loose. Here's a loose deposit here. Let me see if I can move it. Yes, that's a loose deposit. See how that just came off? All right. But anyway, the rest of this gonna just come off. Now, it's good and hot out here. So that's gonna help my situation. I ain't gonna tell you how. That's not one of my secrets. But all of these rust deposits will be gone. And I won't say a few minutes, but I'll say in such a quick amount of time, because that would be deceptive as well to say a few minutes. But I've seen people scrape and um, also use up a lot of tools that grind into the metal and shave and sand and shave and scrape and sand and shave or to get this off of here. But I'm a woman. I ain't got time. And I like to do things easy no matter what it is. So I'll show y'all. This is the before. I'll show you the after.